Hi, you're here with Tristan, Field Application Engineer at Nutaq. Welcome to our whiteboard video entitled MI125 FMC Double Stack. Today we're going to be talking about how you can cost effectively do multi-channel data acquisition on FPGA-based systems. I have here the Nutaq Perseus FMC carrier board. It has a big Virtex-6 FPGA and a high pin count FMC connector to let you interface with a data acquisition board. Our data acquisition board is the MI125. It's a 125 mega sample per second board, and the engineers at Nutaq have worked really hard to bring the channel count on that board up to 16. So I can snap my MI125 board on the Perseus, and here I am with a 16 channel 125 megasample per second data acquisition system based on the Virtex-6 FPGA. The 16 connectors at the front are hard to see because they are small, but we do provide a breakout cable that, once connected to the MI125, gives you access to 16 SMA connectors for inputting your analog signals. Let me draw on the board what we got here. So I have my FMC carrier board, which in our case is the Perseus based on the Virtex-6 FPGA. It has that high pin count FMC connector on it, which I can divide in two parts. The lower pin count part that has pins numbered from 1 to 16, and the high pin count part that has pins numbered from 17 to 32. On top of it, I have the MI125 board, that does the analog to digital conversion for 16 channels. And so, since it has 16 channels, it's fair to say that the low pin count part of the MI125 FMC connector is enough to bring those 16 digitalized signals from the MI125 down to the Perseus FMC carrier board. Where Nutaq's innovation comes into play is we said, hey, why not give this MI125 card a high pin count FMC connector as well? And connect those remaining pins from 17 to 32 to the Perseus board as well. That allows the user to add a second MI125 card turning the system into a 32-channel data acquisition system. The innovation comes from the fact that it is cost efficient, since you don't have to add a second FMC carrier board when you want to take your system from 16 channel up to 32 channel. In fact, you can simply take your 16 channel and have a second MI125 card and snap it on top, and here is your 32 channel FPGA based data acquisition system. This was Tristan, Field Application Engineer at Nutaq. I hope you enjoyed. For more info on our MI125 and the double stack feature, please visit us on our website at nutaq.com. Thanks for listening.